How to turn off the green dot on Facebook. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the green dot on Facebook. So the very first step is to launch your Facebook application on your device. After you open the Facebook on your device, you will see an interface like this. Make sure you have logged into your account on Facebook. After that, you will see an interface, and on the top right side you will see three vertical lines right there. Tap on it, tap on the gear option, which is also the option of setting, and now scroll down and you need to search for the option of audience and visibility. On the audience and visibility option, tap on the option of active status. So if this is enabled, then you will be shown active whenever you open your Facebook and use it for more than 5 minutes. If you disable it, then the green circle won't be shown anymore. So that's how you can turn it off, and tap on the turn off option, and now it is turned off. If you want to turn it on, then just tap on the turn on option and you are done like that. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.